that opportunity to be able to earn an education while having a family and having a job is huge. In accounting in particular, we ask our students if they can commit to 1 night a week. For 2 years, we can give them the full program. But sometimes you're struggling, and they love having that weekly time that they know they're gonna have Jenny or Mabel in front of them, and they can ask any question and we can walk through it with them and they can feel confident in what they're doing. So I'll make videos for them throughout the week that's kind of the lecture, if you would. So it's the content, it's the material. Maybe I'll give them some practice homework to work through. Then when we get together, I always say that's our safe space. We slow it down, we're together, we're connected, they're maybe logging in from home, but the first thing I say every night is, what are the big rocks? What were the things you struggled with this week? And we write those down, and that's what we work on together. We have a saying in my class, we don't make mistakes, we make learning. So that's, part of that process is just trial and error and trying again, and it's nice when you have people there who are supporting you and cheering you on and saying, oh, I struggled with that too. I can help you with that. I know how I did that. I know how I solved that.